Welcome to USA Survival Paracord World. Paracord bands for most watches. Upgrade your paracord band with premium metal buckles. Every band comes with a standard buckle, and you can upgrade your buckle at checkout. Easy to install, no adapters needed. Each band expands 1 inch, giving you extra comfort and flexibility throughout the day. If your wrist falls between sizes, choose the smaller size. No strap adapters needed, just reuse your watch's spring bars or strap screws to install our bands. We've added even more Casio models to our store. You can now get a band for virtually any Casio. Our universal bands fit most Casio watches with lug widths between 16 to 20 millimeters. From the main menu, check the unlisted/vintage Casio models section to find yours today. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more builds, tips, and behind-the-scenes looks at how we handcraft every paracord band right here in the USA. And when you're ready to upgrade your watch, visit our online store at USASurvivalParacordWorld.com, home of handcrafted paracord bands made in the USA.